Lexington Avenue going towards Spring Street, Passaic. Visibility is not the greatest right now. You see the truck out there, you see the headlight. You know, but you cannot see him at a distance. Probably no more than 100 feet visibility. We're in Passaic, New Jersey. Overall, this guys in the city of Passaic has been working hard. Been doing the right thing. You can see the truck about to pass me in front on Monroe Street. Let's see if we catch it. Oh, different truck. But they've been doing a good job, man. Couple of passes. This is the intersection with Monroe Street. Hoover. Just be careful. I have a beautiful wife's car, 2014 Chevy Malibu, and I had the manual transmission going. What a beautiful thing it is to have the manual transmission. You're able to control the speed and does a good job. Beautiful car. We're going over by, this is Jefferson, Washington. No, I forget. Washington. Take it easy. Yeah, if you don't have to be out here, please stay home. There's a police department on my right. Shout out to our men and women in uniform, man. No matter what, they gotta go to work. Shout out to all the hospital workers at any capacity, no matter what it is. You know, we all have to go to work and be out here braving the storm. Shout out to Holy Name. I'm about to go to 21 for a second. Just kind of cut through the back into Spring Street. The whole ride has been at 20 miles per hour on second gear. If you can see, so no more than 100 feet visibility. So these guys are slipping. There you go. I'm following their trucks. Oops, that little corner was really slippery, man. Must be the soil body of water underneath that nose. It's amazing. I'm following this gentleman's tracks right here, and whatever his car does, mine did. So I'm gonna bypass the exit to Main Street. I'm gonna go to the next one. Put this over in third gear now. Put my hazard lights on. Hey folks, these roads are really slippery right now. If you can see over to my left, same thing is happening. I mean, if you have slick tires, you're gonna be spinning all over the place. If you can stay home, folks. Seriously. So here we are, Thursday, February the 9th, 2017. 28 degrees Fahrenheit, 8:48 a.m. Amazing. All right, folks, so we get out on Howard from 21 to Spring Street. See, these are the brave men and women, man. No matter what it is, they come out, they're waiting for their ride. They do what they gotta do, man, to get to work. Corner of Spring and Elliott right now. So we just got dropped off. Hopefully you'll be home. God bless you. Take care of your family. Alright. I truly just forgot where it is. Alright. Who's that in the middle of the street? Stop sign. Let's keep it clean here. Video. This here reminds me of a great video and photographer that I know in the city of Passaic. Our very own Mayor Hector Laura. Shout out to the mayor, man. I wonder what he's up to right now. This is the lady we saw on the way here. There's a yellow truck coming. I don't think it's a city truck, but right here, doing her thing. Careful with this young lady here. Alright, where are you, Ada? I'm right outside. I got my blinking lights on. Where you at?
Oh shit! Wait, put my hood on. Where are you? Is the question.
It's a white car with the blinking lights in the middle of the road. Oh, baby. Let me see. Yeah, the lady just passed me. She's going faster than I am. What up? Hey, da. What's up? She's gonna hate me for this video, man, but